Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by using one Google account to centralize settings and data. This reduces friction across services. Once signed in, enable two-step verification and add recovery info to protect access. Next, install or open core apps, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Maps, so you can access features fast. Make sure to sync settings and allow permissions when prompted. This lets your preferences and files move between devices seamlessly. You're now ready to open and connect the specific Google product you want to use. You should now link Drive, Calendar, and Contacts so events, files, and addresses update across apps. This saves time and prevents duplicates. Once done, customize privacy and notification settings to control what's shared and when you're alerted, because that shapes your workflow and battery use. For advanced tasks, install extensions or add-ons, Docs templates, Drive backups, search shortcuts to automate common steps. Make sure to test one flow end-to-end so you confirm data flows correctly between apps. To finish, perform a full sync and verify you can open key files and calendars on each device. This confirms everything's linked. Backup crucial items to Drive and consider a local export for extra safety. If something fails, first clear the app cache and update the app. Then sign out and back in to refresh credentials. If problems persist, disable recent extensions or check account recovery settings. These steps solve most sync and permission errors quickly and restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.